I want to walk you through where you're going to be accessing your math assignments moving forward. When you're here on your main My SDMC page with all of your colorful tiles, I want you to find the one that says Easy Bridge. Right here, SAVVAS Easy Bridge. You might have to scroll down just a little bit, but you'll see it. You're going to click on that. It's going to take you to this page right here. And is what I want you to find is the SAVVAS Realize tab right over here. You're going to click that. From here, it's going to take you to a page with 3 options. Browse, which is a spot to browse the book, classes and data. This is where you are going to go. You are going to click on that middle red button that says classes, and that's going to take you to this page. If you are a hybrid student, if you are here at Seabreeze during the week with Miss Terrell, this is going to be your space right here, math grade 2, and you'll see her name, Miss Terrell's right here. You know that's where you're going to go. If you are with Mrs. Pamis, you're with me, this is where you are going to access yours with assignments, calendars, everything else. You will click in there and you're going to see a list of assignments. Your first one you are going to be completing is 13-1. And once it's completed and submitted, you won't see it on this page anymore, and you'll see the next one for the next day. But this is exactly where you will come and to click into your assignments.